Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the new product which is going to be launched by our company Tesla, and the product name is electrical tractor. It is like adding green energy to the farming. And our project's agenda is like this kickoff meeting's agenda is like introduce what we are going to do, show our goals, and who are the team members and all, and what the project budget is going to be, and the communications methods which we are using in this project, and timeline for this, and the roles and responsibilities of the people working in this team, and a summary. As the company has launched, there was an anticipation in the people that what the new project which is going to come from our company. Like we started with a car, and then we went to the cyber truck, and then we are going to the semi trucks, and for the future we are going to the electrical tractors. As we know that farming and tractors both are colliding in this century, and the tractors usage in the farming has been from early 19th century, and electrical tractors usage was from the 2010s. And why we need to enter this market is because there are currently like 16 million tractors around the world, and the market share value is like $650 million, which is a good thing. And within coming years, the project and there is a competition and the increase in the farming by 30% by 2030, and there are many countries which are based on completely on the farming itself. And if we go through this one, the success rate for our company will be much more than we anticipated. And it is not just for our company's goodwill, it will raise the goodwill of our company. It will have both sides, like food production wise and also our corporate sector wise. In both ways we get good appreciation. Our product Tesla electrical tractor should have some specifications, like it will have fully electrical and has an autopilot, and load capacity will be 9,000 pounds. It can be used with smartphones, tablets, computers and all. Automatic locking system, voice recognition. And coming to the engine power and all, its horsepower is expected to be 200, and with a single charge it can go for 400 miles, and with a full load also like 9,000 pounds which we have talked about, and we can run still for the 250 miles. The price is also not that high compared to the tractors which we have usually sold in the USA, and the estimated release date is 2 years, June 2025, which is 2 years from now. And our goal is simple: complete the project within 2 years and keep the budget lower than $8 million for these 2 years, and maintain the brand value as high as possible. As Conrad Hilton said, that success seems to relate to action. So if you keep doing better and better, there might be mistakes and all, but there will be eventually we will get success. And stakeholders for this product is like William Spencer, Director of Research Department, Research and Development Department; Franz Vaughan, Chief Engineer; Chief Finance Officer Zachary; Vaibhav, Chief Accounting Officer; Manjiti Myself, Project Manager; Sam Wilson, Technical Expert; Terry Maris, Project Leader; Madhepiri, Project Transfer; David Train, Head of Steering Committee; Tom Wilson, Marketing Manager. These are all involved in the project directly or indirectly, because most of the time the Chief Engineer, Chief Accounting Officer, Finance Officer will not be into the team work, but they will guide the things and take the audits and all. So their involvement is indirectly affecting the project. So they are all stakeholders in the company, but not in the project wise. as involved as we are. And coming to the project team, like myself, project manager, and Mataperi, sponsor, head of the steering team, committee, technical expert, project engineer, design engineer, risk analyst. We are all going to be working on this project. And coming to the budget, as per the team we have discussed, we are going to spend the $8 million in 2 years on several aspects. Like we divided into 5 things. We are going to spend on research for $200,000 and $2 million on electrical engine development, like batteries and all, to check the conditions, to withstand with the battery conditions, with the load and with the driving miles and all. And design and material development, $500,000. And a failure test, it is going to be like $3 million. And for prototype development and all, and miscellaneous and change of plans if anything occurs. Most of the times we can't expect everything will run successfully. So for that change of plans also we have prepared, and we are going to spend $2.3 million. And the communication methods we are going to use is face-to-face meetings, which is going to help us every week. Every 3 weeks there is going to be one team meeting on Thursday afternoon, and we are going to use email and phone for communications also. But email is much more preferred compared to the phone, as we can just go back to the information which we have sent. And timeline for this is by September 2023 we are going to finish the research on engine, and once the engine is developed, it can be materialized by May 2024, and by October 2024 design of the tractor should be approved by the teams and all, and failure test should be done by December 2024. It can be like 5 to 7, and for this each of the failure tests it can cost us like $500,000. So, and by March 2025 prototype will be launched, which is 2 months earlier, 3 months earlier than we anticipated, which we are preparing. So we have a change of time also there. Means time if there is change of plans or some things happen, it still have a good chance to repair itself and all, do the corrections and all, take a corrective measurements, and we can go for the time which we have anticipated. And the roles and responsibilities are like project manager monitors the project, solves the issues and controls and monitors budget, and checks the stakeholder satisfaction, meeting coordination meetings and all. The project sponsor will look after the fundings, communication, project planning and review changes. And for steering committee he will look after taking decisions and resolve issues, project budget approvals, goals, whether we are going on a good direction or not. Expert will look at the problems which we are having in this project, and support the team with his skills and experience. And project engineer is going to help us as much as with communication with stakeholders, coordinate teams, and the documentation, keep the documentation and track of the project. And design engineer helps in a better way compared to the other designs which are there in the currently in the market. There should be new designs, and for this the design engineer have to work much more and develop prototypes which is unique compared to the other ones, and should follow the standards. And risk analysts have the main task to analyze what are the potential aspects which risks which are going to be on the safety side, person side and financial side, and he should give the reports regarding that, and should alert the team about the preventive measures. And we hope that at Tesla we are going to finish this task within 2 years, and as expected, and we believe that our team going to give 100% for the success of this company.